riban bercian lap ceder keba maju yang kewa cima jawai nolar hanya lembaga Tashley thank you Zukukham-sang. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Chok. Nyemilo Dr. Chok segiyo. Ta tuzu tungdong jigin nanglola manzugi yingmong sewe tablam. Ani lobdi chigyin. Peje zinda chudang kyongye borula chawachiyin. Well, I'm going to teach how to read Tibetan in the shortest possible time. And this is based on my own more than 10 years research. And the book is not yet published. It's called Standard Tibetan Pronunciation, but the photocopies are widely used all over the world. So before we are going to learn how to read Tibetan, the most important thing that we should keep in our mind is the three sounds. Thoma phui changwala dasum di kechimure. Dele phegela da ngaru number sigre. Di kharasna a. Just repeat. A. A. Niba. Second. Ha. 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 Third. Ah. 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 Okay. So these three sounds are called I call it verbal endings. So they're not vowels, but they are verbal endings. These are ngaru number these are ngaru mai. This is so dasum the these three sounds are very, very important. So that would be kind of an introduction to Tibetan sound. The ngaru number so sum did that gondo just machine re a ha are. So the three main sounds are a ha a. So once you know these three main verbal endings, then we will extend them to 15. So a, I, U, E, O. Repeat. A, I, U, E, O. And there are basically 5 vowels. That is so young. But then when we use it for the endings, vowel endings, then they may change to ha, he, hu, he, ho. And then a, I, u, e, o. Okay? So listen carefully to these 15 vowel endings. Ngaru number chunga de yakujin sing. A, ha, ha. I, he, ye. U, hu, u. E, he, e. O, ho, o. So these are the 15 vowel endings. So first of all, without looking at any text, just try to listen to these 15 different sounds. Good. Yang da kaha dezu madulubzin jamala ani tigiche. So I'm going to teach the 5 vowels and the alphabet in the next lesson. Thank you. See you next time.